All right, it's mailbox money time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Rick Reed here. Just want to present to you the crazy cash cow flyer. If you want to see this flyer, go to www.allyourmoney.net. That's www.allyourmoney.net. Hey, before I get started, I want you to click on that subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get all my important updates. Also, hey, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the video. If it's something that you would like to see, let me know. Okay, and get all my important updates. Now let's get to this crazy cash cow flyer. This flyer is amazing, and it's been doing a phenomenal job. The green color of this flyer just pops out at you and everything. And then we look at the cows over here. Relax. We're all crazy. It's not a competition. That's what they're saying. They all look crazy. And the thing is, it's getting people attention. When they get this in the mail and they open it up and they see that, look, imagine making $50,000 in 6 months. You have the potential to do that, people, with this flyer. Look, it's easier to get rich when you're getting $200, $400, $600 at a time. Not only that, but you're getting 5 books of stamps every time someone joins you in business. And that is amazing because now you don't have to buy stamps. 5 people get started. That's 500 stamps that you're going to get from that. Not only that, but that's $1,000 in your pocket, okay, coming into your number. And guess what? You keep it 100% of the profits, all right? And all you do is what I call MUSH, M-U-S-H, mail until something happens, and it will happen for you. All you have to do is believe, okay? All right, now let me go into the flyer. Right here, your name can go right here. It would say, join Craig, join Larry, join David, join you, because I can help you, all right? And I want to thank you for participating in your own rescue. Now, look at here. I want you to imagine 5 people getting started, okay? At the 200 level, that's $1,000. What if 10 people got started at the $400 level? That's $4,000 people. How about 15 people? What is that day, that week, or that month getting started with you and sending you $600 and you keep it all? That's $9,000 people, okay? So only 2 places for you to send your money to. Right here is where your name will go. In this box right here, all right? Let's call this box number 1. And it's clear instructions. Send $2, $4, $600 and 5 books of stamp to Ricky Reed. Here's the address and here's the phone number. This is where your information will go. Look, if you want your phone number on here or if you want an email address right here, let us know and we will put that on here. Okay, look at this gentleman here. Oh, he's so happy. He's happier than a fat rat in a cheese factory because it's working for him. It'll work for you too. All right, admin fee. Okay, they mail him too. So guess what? You're gonna send $100 and 5 books of stamp one time. Okay, to this address here to Christy Young, that's managing the flyers and everything. All right. Now, again, there's 3 levels. There's the 200, the 400, and 600 level. All right, whenever someone replies to your flyer and they get started, all right, you're going to get cash and stamps. You don't have to send stamps to anyone that's replying to your flyer. We'll do that here, okay? We're going to send the grocery coupons. We're going to send the marketing kit, okay? And we're going to send them a copy of the flyer. Okay, and $1,000 in grocery coupon voucher is what they're going to get on this level 2. Okay, 200 full data leads. I'm going to explain the leads to you. These leads are people currently and have been involved in network marketing. Names, address, phone numbers, and cell phone numbers of people. Look, you can just text them your flyer. Text them your flyer, simple as that. Or simply give them a call and tell them you would like to send them a flyer and send it to them, or just send the flyer just like you regularly do. Now you can have this transferred to pill and stick label. Everything that you get from us, everything that you're going to get, it's going to be through your email. You don't have to wait a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks just to get flyers sent to you in a welcome kit. You're going to get that. You're going to get that day or the next day. All right. Again, the 200 level, you're going to get $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. Okay. You select the coupons you want for items you know that you use. The MAILBOX Cash Money Marketing Kit and unlimited support. Okay. The level 2 is going to be $400. Okay. You're going to get 404 data leads, one $1,000 in grocery coupon voucher, one $1,000 in fast food coupons of your choice. Okay. The MAILBOX Cash Marketing Kit and unlimited support. Now, the difference between the 2 and the 400 is you're going to get the fast food restaurant. Now, this is where it kicks up. When you get to level 3, you select this level. You're going to get 600 full data leads, one $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice voucher. You're going to get one fast food restaurant of your choice. Now, these is like places like Wendy's, Denny's, IHOPs, Olive Garden, Ponderosa Steakhouse, fast food restaurant and regular restaurants that you go in and sit down and eat with as a family. You select them. Now, here's one of the other things I'm excited about. A 3-day, 2-night mini vacation. That means you're going to select several places out of the continental United States and U.S. territories, and they're taking care of the hotel accommodations. Okay, that is huge when you're talking about 4- and 5-star hotels. It's a whole difference. You don't have to worry about them leaving the line on for you. All right, in the MAILBOX Cash Money Marketing Kit, simply fill out your name, your address, city, state, zip code, and people, once you do this, make a couple of copies, send it to this box 1, box 2, and you're waiting 7 to 10 days for that to come into the mail, to come into our hands. Now, to keep things honest, if Christy get a package, she's gonna call, let me know. That way I can put that person information together until I find out if you got your package. Now, if you get a package before me, you call us and let us know. We'll put that person information, but no one is getting anything until it's been confirmed that both parties have been paid. And people, that is it. It is as simple as this. Look how beautiful this flyer is. Okay, you also select this, or you can select the postcard as your choice. But look at the craftsmanship, how the color pops out. This is attracting attention, and it's doing very well, and we want you to come join us. Okay, each time someone joins us helps supporting our prison ministry. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. Get the Crazy Cash Cow Flyer.